Hi guys, this is Ritu Verma. First of all, thank you all so much for making Pelli Chupulu a super duper hit, and thank you all for the love and the praises and the appreciations you guys have been giving us. And if you have any questions for me regarding my film or anything else, you can ask me. Please let me know. Did you guys like Pelli Chupulu? Okay, Nikhil. Hello, Ritu. Hi, Nikhil. Hi, everybody. Hi. Can you say hi to me, Nikhil? Hi, Nikhil. Sanjay. Hi, you look beautiful. Thank you, Sanjay. Hello, everybody. Nitya. Yes, we liked so much. Thank you. I'm so glad you liked Pelli Chupulu. Venu. Pelli Chupulu was super movie. Thank you, Venu. Was your venture successful, by the way? Yes, it was. It's declared a hit, so you're gorgeous and love Pelli Chupulu. Thank you. Thank you. Vijay says super your movie. Thank you, Vijay. Sudhir. Hi, madam. You acting in Tamil movie? Yes, Sudhir, I'm acting in a Tamil movie. Okay, so Harita asks, who's your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Mahesh Babu. You nailed in Pelli Chupulu. Thank you so much, Vinay. Your favorite actor in Bollywood? Kuldeep. Kuldeep, my favorite actor in Bollywood is Ranveer Singh. I also like Ranveer Kapoor a lot. Dakshu, your favorite actor in Telugu industry? I just answered it, Mahesh Babu. I also like Allu Arjun and a lot of other actors. Pradeep God says, Pelli Chupulu movie was excellent. Thank you so much, Pradeep. Ritu, you're so cute and your performance is awesome. Thank you, Raja. The chemistry was fabulous between you two. Thank you. I agree. Would you like to do a movie with Nani again? Yes, I would love to do a movie with him again. Best movie in recent times and nice acting, Nagendra. Thank you so much. My favorite actress. I like Anushka Shetty's acting a lot. Would like to work in Bollywood movies such as. In Bollywood, I think I would love to act in movies like Piku, Tanu Weds Manu Returns, or Queen. If you get a chance to act with Junior NTR, will you? Yes, definitely. Very nice movie and very good acting. Keep going. Thank you so much, Sai Srinivas. Ritu, from the first short movie, you're so good. And when will you act with Prabhas? I don't know. I'm waiting for the opportunity. Sri Chaitanya, watch Pelli Chupulu 2 times. Gonna watch again. Thank you so much. What's my next movie? Well, in Telugu, I haven't really signed anything, but I have a couple of offers right now. I have a release in Tamil. What about Shah Rukh Khan? I love Shah Rukh Khan as well. He's the king of romance. Superb movie, ma'am. You're awesome and pretty in Pelli Chupulu. Thank you so much. Okay, about Allu Arjun, I think he's extremely talented, superb actor, superb dancer, superb performer. What kind of role you want to do in the next film and with whom? I don't really have a particular role in mind, but anything challenging and exciting. watched today. Unexpected performance. Good luck for the rest. Thank you so much. Sai Teja Reddy. Is there any sequel for Pelli Chupulu? I think that you'll have to ask my director, Tarun Bhaskar. Venu says, good movie. Thank you so much. Rajkumar Raj, about Pawan Kalyan Garu. He's God. What can I say about him? Anita Chawali says, you're looking beautiful. You remember you came to our colony for inauguration of exhibition with... Okay, Rani Chinna. Yeah, I do remember. What are your future projects, Ritu? Vinay asks. I have a release in Tamil and in Telugu. I'm in talks with a couple of people. లైవ్ షోలో స్మైల్కే పడిపోతున్నాం పెళ్లి చూపులు చూసి పడిపోయాం థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మీ నెక్స్ట్ మూవీ ఏంటి ఐ ఆల్రెడీ ఆన్సర్డ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ గుడ్ మూవీ ఐ లైక్ వెరీ మచ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఓకే ఆర్య అజయ్ asks your first crush. I don't even remember. I think it was when I was a kid. So I don't even remember long back. Awesome movie. Very enjoying, dude. Thank you so much, Prashant. Superb looking. Thank you. Rishi Chowdhury, about Junior NTR. He's extremely talented, extremely energetic, superb dancer, superb actor. What else can I say? Nani to act chestara, Sai Tejas. Yes, as I said, I would love to act with him again. I admire his acting a lot, so it would be a pleasure to act with him again. Your smile is so nice. Thank you so much. Which Tamil movie are you working in? It's titled China and I'm paired opposite Kalairasan. And the director is a new director. His name is Harshvardhan. He was an associate of Murugadoss sir. Gayatri Shravya asks, what are your hobbies, Ritu? Well, I love painting, I love listening to music, and I love watching movies. You're looking pretty, Vikas Verma. Thank you. So Manideep asks, did anyone propose you? No, nobody has proposed me yet. I'm still waiting for somebody to come and propose. Awesome movie, Ritu. Thanks. Thank you so much. Glad you liked it. Superb movie, Ritu ma'am. Thank you so much. Sai Chand, you're looking beautiful in the movie. Thank you. Okay, everybody's asking me who's my favorite hero. I think I've already answered that question. Your smile is superb. Thank you. Really liked the film. Your performance was very nice. Thank you, Mani. Who came up with the name Spitfire Barbecue? Bharadwaj asks. Well, it's an original food truck from Bangalore. So we got it here for the film shoot. Your eyes are awesome. Thank you, Praveen. Okay, Prakash Mani says I'll propose to you. Okay, sure. Did you have any recent Pelli Chupulu? Oh, sorry. Did you have any Pelli Chupulu in recent times in your life? No, not yet. Okay. That comment was funny. Your acting was marvelous. Hope you will have a bright future. Thank you so much. You have bright future. Act with Pawan Kalyan. Ravinder Abhi says. Okay. If I get an opportunity, I would definitely love to. Naresh Uppari says, please don't stop talking. Okay, I won't. I'll try my best not to. Once call me my name Ritu. Rameshwar Ram. Okay. Hi Ritu, you're looking awesome. Thank you so much, Pawan. Upcoming films in Tollywood, Sri Ram asked. Well, I haven't really signed anything, and as I said, I'm in talks with a couple of people. So when I sign something, I'll definitely let you guys know. Chaitanya Sangani says, wish I could get tickets too. I'm not getting tickets for my own film, you know. That's a nice comment. Your Pangam Visu asked, your native. I was born and raised in Hyderabad. Please. Okay. Krishna Chaitanya says, when I saw you in Badsha, I fell in love with your voice. It's magical. Thank you so much. That means a lot. There's a Tamil comment. Uday Kumar asks, what is the meaning of name Ritu? Well, the meaning of Ritu is seasons. And my dad chose this name for me, so it's very special. No screening in Melbourne. I thought it was releasing in Australia. Let me find out. Telugulo మాట్లాడండి ప్లీజ్ తప్పకుండా మాట్లాడతా నేను. Okay, Pawan Kumar asks, ma'am, what's your beauty secret? There's no secret. I just like living my life happily. Your best, Vamsi, your best moments while shooting the movie. Lot of best moments because the entire team was basically my friends, and all of us are very like young people, everybody under the age of 30, so we would have a lot of fun every day on sets. Vivek Julai asks, నీకు తెలుగు వచ్చా? నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చు. మూవీలో అది నా వాయిస్, మేము మూవీ సింక్ సౌండ్లో షూట్ చేసాము, సో డబ్బింగ్ కూడా చేయలేదు. షూటింగ్లో ఏ సౌండ్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తామో అదే మీరు మూవీలో వింటున్నారు. Lakshman Kumar says, how do you feel when Dasari Narayana Garu says Pelli Choopulu is better than Bahubali? I think it's huge coming from him. It means a lot to all of us. Praveena Kumar, hi Ritu, you're looking very cute. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for some interesting questions. Anita Chawali, any plans in Bollywood? If I get an opportunity, I would definitely love to act in a Bollywood film. If the script is good and my character is good, I would definitely. Rohan Sai, what was your favorite scene in Pelli Choopulu movie? My favorite scene from Pelli Choopulu is the scene where my father comes and talks to me in the end. The emotional scene between me and my father. I think that's my favorite scene. Daman Bangaru says Pelli Choopulu is awesome. Thank you so much. Basan says, I hurted. You haven't given any reply to my messages. Sorry, I must have missed your message. KSV Pawan asks, what's your favorite dish? I'm actually a huge foodie. I love food. I love trying out different types of cuisines. I love going and checking out new places and trying out new dishes. మనీ తేజ, మీకు పెళ్లి చూపులు ఎప్పుడైనా జరిగాయా? ఇప్పటివరకు అయితే జరగలేదండి, లక్కీలీ. శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి, యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డైరెక్టర్? ఐ హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫేవరెట్ డైరెక్టర్స్ అండి, కానీ నాకు రాజమౌళి గారు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, మణిరత్నం సార్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, గౌతమ్ మెనన్ గారు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, అండ్ ద లిస్ట్ విల్ కీప్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ అండ్ ఆన్. Chandan Chowdhury, what's your dream role? I don't really have a dream role, but I would love to act in a period film or a biopic or something. Yeah. Pelli Chupulu was a great movie. I want to watch it again and again. Keep up the good work. Shruti. Thank you so much, Shruti. Watch it again. You're looking pretty in movie. Congrats to you and the whole team. Charan Kumar. Thank you. Sunny. You are very beautiful, Ritu. I like you so much. Thank you, Sunny. I like you too. Are you interested in negative role? Wow, that's an interesting question. I wouldn't mind doing negative role as well, as long as it's challenging and something different. Balaji Reddy, which hero would you love to act with? Lot of heroes, as I said, you know. If you get a chance to act with Rajamouli Garu, what is your opinion? I will be on cloud 9. As I said, he's one of my favorite directors. Pen scene చేసేటప్పుడు, oh sorry, I couldn't do that. With whom would you like to act in Bollywood first? Prabjeet Singh. I would love to act with Ranveer Singh. Yes. మూవీలో మీరు చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు, డైలాగ్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు మై డైరెక్టర్ తరుణ్ భాస్కర్. Siva, will you do very complicated characters like blind, dumb, etc.? Yes, as I said, I would love to do anything challenging. Kiran Kumar, please naku hi cheppandi. Hi Kiran Kumar. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ పెళ్లి చూపులు జరిగితే విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పెళ్లి కొడుకుని చూస్ చేసుకుంటారు? నాకు ఆప్షన్స్ ఇవ్వండి, నేను చూస్ చేస్తాను. హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ డాన్సర్ ఇన్ టాలీవుడ్? Sarath Arjun. My favorite dancer in Tollywood, Junior NTR, Allu Arjun. Yeah. What is your favorite color? Jampala Sashi asks. I love different shades of blue. I love black. I love white. మీరు యాక్టింగ్ ఎక్కడన్నా నేర్చుకున్నారా మనోజ్ సోలో? నో, నేను అస్సలు యాక్టింగ్ ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకోలేదు. నేను ఒక షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్లో యాక్ట్ చేశాను, దాని తర్వాత ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ గెటింగ్ ఫిల్మ్ ఆఫర్స్ అండ్ a lot of people told me that I perform naturally, so a lot of people suggested me not to take acting classes. Bunny Ashi says, super movie in 2016, Pelli Chupulu. Thank you so much, Bunny. Everybody's asking me who's your favorite hero, favorite hero. Dinesh, lady oriented movie Chestara. Definitely, if the script is good, I would definitely love to do it. What if you were in Bahubali? Akashas. I don't know, I would be in Cloud 9, I guess. Karthik says, hi, you're looking so pretty. Thank you, Karthik. Smile, please. Ninth time I'm watching, okay? Any more questions regarding Pelli Choopulu? You guys can ask me. Well, somebody asked me how my experience was working with Vijay. Both of us have already worked in Yevde Subramaniam, and he's an extremely good performer. He performs with a lot of ease, and he's very friendly on sets, so it's a lot of fun working with him. Sairam, what's your favorite genre? I love romantic comedies like Pelli Choopulu. Gayatri Shravya asked, what was the first thing you did after Pelli Choopulu's success? Actually, you know what? Pelli Choopulu was declared a hit even before the release, so all of us were completely overwhelmed, and it still hasn't sunk in yet that Pelli Choopulu is such a huge hit and you people have been loving it. Ashwin says, it's nice to see you live. I know you since when you came first to Folio at Rahul Datta. Okay. Jayant Kumar, what's your favorite scene in the whole film Pelli Choopulu? As I said, the scene between me and my father before the climax, it's my favorite scene. Vijay Raghavan, few words about the director. Well, Tarun Bhaskar and I have known each other for quite a long time. We worked on a short film called Anukokunda, and he's a fantastic director, extremely creative, and he has a clear vision. He knows what exactly he wants from his actors, his technicians, everybody. So, yeah, it was wonderful working with him. Nitin, really, your acting in Pelli Choopulu movie was awesome. Thank you. Karthik, Pelli Choopulu is an awesome and refreshing movie. Keep doing these kind. Thank you so much. I'll make sure that I do more films like these. Prithviraj, let me see your eyes clearly. You have beautiful eyes. Okay, what do you want me to do for that? Anil Kumar, I heard that you have a plan that you are interested in food trucks. Will you please let me know when you're going to start? Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'll let you know when I start a food truck of my own. Abhilash, keep doing such movies. Ritu, we love you. Thank you so much. Love you guys too. Allu Ajit, your acting in Pelli Chuplu is simply superb. Can you smile for me? This is for you. Pawan Kumar, you're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Karthik, please be specific with scripts and make us even more proud, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'll try my best. Sudhakar, you look too good in blue dress. Thank you, Sudhakar. Mahesh Babu, your acting is really superb. Keep on rocking. Thank you so much, Mahesh. Raju, super movie, madam. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. You have a bright future in Telugu industry. Thank you so much. Tradition yet so beautiful. Can't wait to watch Pelli Chuplu. Please watch it soon, Aditya. Venkat Yadav, Pelli Chupulu team, thanks for giving good movie. Thank you so much for watching it and for loving our film Pelli Chupulu. What's your favorite song in Pelli Chupulu? My favorite song from Pelli Chupulu is Chinuku Take. It's a very beautifully sung song, and that's my favorite. Madhu says watched 3 times, amazing movie. Thank you so much. Keep watching it more and more times. Sunny Scorpio, I message you personally congratulating your success. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I'm not able to reply to each and every one of you, but thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for all the praises that you've been giving me. Gopi Bharadwaj asks, what is the difference between Chitra and Ritu Varma? And the movie was awesome. Actually, I'm a lot like Chitra in real life, so that's why I could relate to the character very easily. And I've been getting a lot of messages from a lot of girls saying they can relate with the character as well. So I think I couldn't have asked for more. Ramakrishna, you are another Bapu Bomma, Pakka Telugu Ammai. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so it was really nice talking to you all. And once again, thank you so much for making Pelli Chuplu a huge success. And I'm so sorry I'm not able to reply to each one of you. But thank you all. Thank you so very much. And I'll do this again, once again soon. Thank you. Bye.